Hello everyone! Take a section of the hair from the front and then take a section of the hair from the top. Make two braids out of it, join it in multiple sections on the side. Add multiple rubber bands. Divide the front portion of the hair, taking a section from the top, braid the hair, and then join it on the side in the bump fashion. Taking a small portion of the hair from the front, make a braid out of it and tie it up in a bow shape. At the back, begin to make a neat small French braid. Take very small sections of the hair. Make multiple sections at the top and then roll each of these sections in on themselves. Add thread through it and then using two strands of the thread as two different sections, make a braid out of it. Divide the hair into 4 sections. On the top section, make a ponytail and then braid the hair, roll it up into a bun. At the bottom, take a small section of the hair and then begin to braid it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Make sure it is very small, thin and neat. Take a section from the front, add a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, make another section, add another rubber band. Repeat this step until you reach the middle and then once you reach the bottom, braid the hair. Take a section from the front, add multiple rubber bands to it. Make a section at the back and then roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 braids out of it. Tie it up at the bottom. Leave out a section at the front, taking the top section, divide it into 3 ponytails. Join it together as such. Taking the top section, make a braid and then in the bottom, make 2 braids out of it. Roll it up into a heart shape and adjust it accordingly. Make 2 braids on either side and join it at the back. Make 2 ponytails, add a rubber band in the middle of each of them, lift it up and tie it up as such. Adding gel to the hair, separate the front portion of the hair. Taking the top section, make 3 ponytails out of it and then join it together as such. Make 2 braids at the top and then take the rest of the hair on the side and then wrap it around the braids. Roll it in on themselves, make a ponytail at the bottom, lift it up. Take a section off the top, make 2 braids out of it, add a rubber band in the middle and then join it in a heart shape. Make 2 braids at the bottom. Tie a ponytail on the side and then roll this ponytail in on itself. Divide the hair into 2 parts, 2 braids and then make a heart shape. Add multiple rubber bands to the bottom section of the hair on the side, make 2 braids out of it, join it in a heart shape. Take a section off the top and then make 2 braids out of it. Fold it and then make a bow shape out of it. Add a thread on the side and then using the thread as 2 sections of a braid, braid the hair. Do this for multiple more sections. Make multiple sections on the side, add thread through each of them. After you are done with this, join it to the ponytail on the side. Make multiple sections, join it till it forms one, braid the hair. Thank you for watching.